I need to paint my senior parking spot.
Hi, I'm Abigail, and welcome back to my senior checklist series, where I try to live my high school senior year to the fullest, and I'm taking y'all along with me. Today's check is to paint my senior parking spot. What will I paint, you ask? Well, as I was toiling through the hundreds of pin boards filled with inspiration, I came across one of the greatest movies of all time. The Emperor's New Groove. Whilst concocting my amazing idea, I was reminded of a quote from that glorious film.
Whoa, no touchy. No touchy. No touch.
It was perfect. Just the right amount of popularity to capture others' attention, but also niche enough to be unique and inspiring to others. There was just one problem. I had no supplies. And so I found myself in Lowe's, purchasing paints and rollers and brushes until it was finally time to bring my vision to life. I had already sketched my project out in chalk. After that, it was time to tape. Then, it was time to paint. I started by painting a fun, vivid background so our lovely llama Kuzco would really catch the eye. Next, I painted the fur, which I know it sounds crazy to say that I painted over black paint with, well, black paint, but it covered up my previous chalk marks and it really helped give a clean finish to the spot overall. Then we painted Kuzco's beautiful brown face, or part of it at least, and decided to let the paint dry and take a short break. After our short break, I came back to discover someone had literally drove over my parking spot and left tire marks all over it. I mean, it wasn't a super big deal, but still very noticeable. Anyways, while I was recovering from that incident, it was time for the outline. And while I worked on this, my dad helped me out a little bit by painting a white border on the bottom and some of the letters to our iconic no touchy phrase. Once that was over, I painted the rest of the letters and filled in the whites of the eyes. After that, all that was left was a few touch-ups and, of course, painting in my initials and graduation year. I hope this video gave y'all some inspo for your senior parking spots. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and give me some video ideas in the comments below. I'd really love to see some of y'all's ideas, and I will definitely be checking them out. And stay tuned for the next video of this series. Love y'all and stay diva. Bye!
No touchy. No touchy.